Today we're going to Paradise Nature Park in Barbados, guys. So come along with us and let's take a tour. Ta-da! Here we have the ducks, guinea fowl, peacocks. What are these?
Kung pigs.
Cancun pigs.
Where here? You ever been on there?
Cancun pigs. We're going to see the little miniature donkeys over here, guys. You have to come and visit it. This is the Nature Park, Barbados. It's awesome. We would not believe that you actually have these in Barbados. Look at ducks. They're goose. Not quite sure. But they are gorgeous. Look at the colors. Chinese chickens out here. Look at he look like Santa Claus. Look. Look at it, look.
Donkey, come on, donkey. Go for it, donkey.
Can we go see what else we got? What are these called? Geese? Geese? Ducks? What kind of ducks? We could carry them?
No. No.
Let me get a close up. I thought we could have carried them, but we can't, so we're not gonna do that. So far, guys, it's an awesome visit to Nature Park, Barbados. Oh, so here we at Nature Park, Barbados. If you come, you have to check it out. There are loads of different types of animals that you would not believe that exists in Barbados. Oh, it's amazing. So we're about. Hey, good evening. How are you? Yeah, we're going on. All right.
Okay.
Oh, these are beautiful.
I see it.
What over there?
Iguanas.
Oh. And here we have some iguana, guys. We gotta go and curry some of these. If y'all catch these in Guyana, you know y'all can murder them.
Oh, green iguana. They're quite small ones, aren't they? Look, that one just looks KO. Does it not? Oh, Close the chair.
Yeah. This is Nature Park, Barbados. Oh, these are cool. Look at these chickens.
Oh,
There's some parrots, I guess.
that was the way I mean, that way. Very soon you can see before the animals.
So we're here at Nature Park. Where y'all see? Let me go and see what we can see. So that's the cafe.
Guys, look at me. It is scary.
Go hold it. Go.
Just put your hand out level. That's perfect. You don't have to hold him, he'll just sit there. Okay?
So how many snakes do you really keep?
We actually have.
Guys, go ahead.
We have a good
Guys,
number.
go ahead.
The challenge isn't so much keeping them, the challenge is the food.
What do they eat? Rats?
Rats and mice.
Nice job,
rat and
Catalina.
Yeah.
How do you get Trimo?
They can
Swallow
kind of
it.
unlock their jaw and work it around. They can't eat anything super
But you
big.
moat looks so small. You want to hold it? Oh, that's it. And the chicken and put a duck's a shame, man. Only because you moat looks so small little wristly.
See his eyes? So if you see his tongue sticking out, that's like him smelling the air. So he kind of tastes the air to see what's around. And he has these special holes on his top lip. And they allow him to see like a mouse in the dark. He can see body heat with it. So you know, like a thermal imaging camera, he can literally see heat. So when you feed these, like they're really commonly kept as pets overseas. So you would normally buy your rats to feed them mail order, frozen. And when they arrive, you have to thaw them out, and then you have to heat them up so that they're the same temperature as they would normally be. And then he can see that heat, and he's like, okay, it's cool. Yeah.
Wow.
So dead is
Yeah,
better.
where we went.
Not all of them will take dead ones. Some will only eat live. But where possible, we feed the dead. Say again? Say again?
Is this the only snake you
Oh no,
have?
we have others.
But then
No, we bring a different one out every day.
Oh, okay.
So, but they're mostly ball pythons, but ball pythons come in all different colours. So we've got yellow ones, white ones. Mitch.
I'll see you again.
Nice to meet you, man.
Yeah, people get afraid. You know people get afraid.
It's like, nope, I'm not taking that today. The snake is about to get me. So there we've had it, guys. It was a lovely tour of the nature park. You guys have to come and check it out. As I said, it's not a paid video, but it's a lovely sightseeing. Yes. So that was it, guys. Our lovely visit to Paradise Nature Park. Don't forget, you must come and visit. It's an awesome experience. They have loads of different types of animals. It's amazing. Don't forget to like and subscribe.